So you really want me to do this Q&A, right? Let's get it, dog. A while ago, right, I did a Q&A on how to actually think. I did a Q&A like ask me anything Forex related, you feel me? So I think it might be relevant now to y'all, in case, you know what I'm saying, you still have like a few misconceptions about the Forex market, trading, indices and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna answer them right now, right? So the first one says, how much was a capital to start trading Forex, right? Like my initial capital when I started trading Forex, I think I had only about $100, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was 100, which inevitably was blown. You know, it is what it is. Second one, it says, what's the best currencies to trade with, right? At this moment, truthfully speaking, the best thing to trade right now is not even currencies, it's indices. NAS 100 or US 30. Those are the best things to trade right now. As far as currencies go, I was really good with the USDs, but I haven't been like focused too much on it because I thought I made money trading USDs right last year, but this year it's a whole nother level. So you feel me? And that's only on trading indices. So how can a mentorless trader improve? Because I'm having such a hard time. Like, how can you improve without a mentor? YouTube, bruh. YouTube and experience. Practice with a demo account, use YouTube, and then fund a live account and see how it goes. That's how we did it. You feel me? How do you become a consistent trader? You feel me? Consistency. You just need to, you feel me, cut losses quickly, have a plan, don't hold and hope onto any trades or anything, and don't chase any markets, right? The camera's about to die. God damn. So how much are your lessons? At the moment we don't have lessons, but we're launching our online course for sure. It's gonna be a banger. You see, I'm in the bushes, you know what's up, man. How do you stay consistent with your winnings and how to master entries? Yeah, you need to, how do I stay consistent with my winnings? And I just run the same setups over and over again until, you know, there was a point I was doing trend lines so hard. I was like practicing trend lines so much that I would look at a chart and I wouldn't even have to draw a trend line, but I would see all the things, I would see the like trend lines in my mind. That's how crazy I was, you feel me? So you just need to be consistent with the plan. And how to master entries? Consistency with the plan, my dog. There's no any other way. You just gotta be consistent with the plan, fam. Since you say use a journal, how exactly do you operate exactly? So to use a journal, bruh, like you just need to, you see, a journal is good for beginners. At this moment I use my journals for a lot more things than just trade setups. I also use them to track my performance, how much I'm making a week, how much I lost the other week, a month. You see, it just keeps you goal focused, right? Because you can lose maybe 3 days. I can lose maybe 3 days in a row, but if I'm keeping my performance on a journals, I can see the performance for like last month. And then three days isn't gonna discourage me when I've been winning for like the past three weeks or 4 weeks or something like that. I hope you get the gist of what I'm saying, right? Why don't you trade an account using the KWD currency? The KWD currency, dog, that was a wave, and the wave is past. Ain't nothing we can say about that. The wave is past, you feel me? Which broker are you using? At the moment I was using XM, but right now, at that moment I was trading currencies. But right now, dog, the only thing you need to use is Trade 245. I'm not promoting them though. They can still fuck up, it's possible, but you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying they're perfect, but that's the broker I'm using right now, right? When do you start trading? When you start winning from Forex trading, is it possible to win after a week being taught? Oh, so the person is asking, is it possible to start making money the week after you're being taught? I think that's very possible. I've had people like that. I've had members like that who start making money the week after. But yo, like you need to really have your head in the game. You can win, but the thing is, the thing isn't really about winning a week after. The thing is to stay winning. That's the thing, because you start winning and then you think you know Forex, and then now you start making silly mistakes after winning. So the thing is about staying on top. It's not about getting at the top. Staying on top That's what you need to focus on, right? And what exactly is it, and how does one get started? Trading, what's trading and how does one get started? Trading is basically a market where we look at trading instruments, can be currencies, it can be indices, and then we have to speculate if the price of the thing, the price is the value, if the value of the thing is gonna go up or if it's gonna go down. Trading. When you start trading Forex, was it challenging the first time you started? Like, was it a challenge when I started? Hell yeah, it was a challenge. It was hard, man. I didn't know. Listen, it was crazy. You know what I thought? Let me tell you how real it got. At some point, when I was so deep and I already left school and all those kind of things, I thought to myself, if I could go back, I would finish. If I could go back, knowing what I know now, I'd rather finish school and not even find out about trading. But where I am today, because that's the thing about me, I put myself in a corner. Them niggas is making noise, bruh. Because I put myself in a corner, I dropped out of school. Like, listen, there was no other option for me than to make it in this business, you feel me? So it was challenging, and at some point I really wished I could quit, but there was nothing else to fall back on, you feel me? I guess that's what made it different for me. When did you think you'd do this when you started, or did you just take a leap of faith? Hey, my thing is, I'm crazy, dog. I didn't know I was gonna be this good when I started. I just took a leap of faith. I just went in. And dog, I just went in. I'm just the type of guy. I find out about something. If it intrigues me, I just go in. We don't, you know what I'm saying? Find out more, or we just try and see how it goes. You feel me? The next one says, is trading according to the financial news all the time good, or should I also learn how to predict the graphs? I would say a mix of both, right? You need to also focus on fundamentals, because if you're saying you're focusing on this market, damn, this niggas is making noise. The only thing that works, right? The thing that pushes the markets isn't just price action, it's also the markets and the banks and stuff and the hedge funds and all those things. You need to know about all of those things if you wanna make it. You understand? Is mentorship the key to winning in Forex? Been trying on my own, but I just keep on donating to the broker. Well, that's true. You don't need a mentor, but if you can afford the luxury, then you should do it, because it's more like investing in your own future. Because some of us, when we do this, we don't have anything to fall back on. So it's literally, if you can afford the luxury, do it, because it's gonna take you far. Hey, I might get attacked here. I don't know what's going on, fam. Oh, fam, my camera died on me. Look at it, just sitting there. Dog. That's not what's up. Man, Lou, wow, came in the building. He saved the boy. I feel like this is better than the camera. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section which one is better. Is it the camera or the thing? Yeah. So we're gonna go back to all of you in the building. So the next one, I'm gonna read the next one. It says, mentorship is the key to winning in Forex, or what? Because I've been blowing my account, so it doesn't know if it should stick to mentorship or what. And I will tell you this: if you can afford, do it. If you can't, work towards saving your money and then get signals or something. It's gonna help if you need to, otherwise you can still make it on your own. It's just gonna take more time. That's just what it is, right? Ask, okay, which leverage would you recommend? Use the maximum your broker can allow, as long as you know how to open lot sizes and stuff. And I keep looking there, because I don't want to be attacked by anything in the building. You understand what I'm saying? So how much should I have in my account before I start trading? I remember I started with about $100. So if you can get also $100, that would be good also on your side. You understand what I'm saying? So you feel me? Okay, this one is asking about the broker. Since you use XM, aren't the spreads a bit too what? Okay, I was using XM. The spread was crazy, but it was fine. I was still making money. Who cares about the spread? So, but the thing is, now I'm not with XM anymore. You feel me? The sun is kissing me. Oh my gosh, I should have moved to Limpopo one time. But that's besides the point. When did you start trading? I started trading in 2016. I'm not really sure. About 2016, that's when I started trading. Yeah, we've been rocking since. Can I find someone who wants to trade? I'm planning on doing a giveaway when I get to 20,000 subscribers. When I get there, I'm gonna fund probably about 5 people's account. I'll fund you guys' account. You feel me? Subscribe, right? Do you make each day? How do you make each day and every single day? Like, how much do I make every day and each and every single day? Like, that one is difficult to answer because it fluctuates. Time to time, it fluctuates. You understand? You can make 5K, you can make 7K, you can make 10. Sometimes we can take a loss. So it's about there, like between 5 and on the winners we can make, saying 10K a trade or 5K a trade, but we probably trade 3 sessions, so we can make, we can stack up. I can't say for sure. I don't want you stalking me and shit, man. You feel me? Please recommend a broker you don't want my ID to register because I lost the ID. Then you gotta make an ID from something. How many accounts have you blown? Yo, I probably lost count. I've blown so many accounts. Like what? So many. So like a lot of accounts. I can still blow an account right now. If I'm deciding to risk everything in the account, it's possible that the trade can go against me and blow everything. But those things are usually calculated. If I'm blowing, it's because I wanted to flip. Let's say if I want to flip 3K and make it 12, right? I can put the 3K. If I blow it, I'll put another one. I know what I'm calculating. If it can hit me now and then I put another 3K, make 12, remove 12, put another 3K, make about 8, remove it, put another, you see. So at this trading indices, that's how I'm taking the approach. I hope I can, I'm answering y'all. I don't want to keep this video long, like, you feel me? I'll probably do a part 2, you feel me? I'll probably do a part 2 for y'all. As a boy Vussy Magz, I got so much love for y'all, man. Thank you in the building. I'll see you guys on the next one.